Good medical morning. I'm Watson, and today we're going to discuss how to prevent mask acne, sometimes called maskne. With mandatory masks, it turns out that mask acne is becoming a real problem for more and more people. While you watch these pimple-popping clips, let's discuss tips for preventing mask acne. Tip number 1. Wear less makeup under your mask. Wash your mask frequently if it's washable, or change masks frequently if they're disposable. Purchase a non-irritating facial mask like this. Make sure to use sensitive skin detergent when you wash your masks. Wash your face throughout the day. Avoid touching your face and playing around with the mask. And choose fibers that are gentle on your skin, such as cotton, over synthetics. To keep my pores clean as a preventative measure, I personally use this blackhead removal peel mask. Let's take a look. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.